So if you're familiar with Windows, you'll know that Windows deals with a couple of different types of background applications. So we have processes and we have services. So in Linux, we have something similar. We have processes, which we were able to manage using the PS, but we also had the PS command, but we also have something called daemons. They're not services, they're daemons, daemon. And a daemon is basically a background service that runs on the system. Now, with Windows, we would look at their services, and we have some tools to manage the services both in PowerShell and in the GUI. In Linux, we've got something similar to manage the daemons, and it is systemctl. So I'm going to type systemctl. I'm going to go ahead and pipe this to more because there's going to be a bunch of things that come across here. So these are all systemctl stands for system control, and these are all things that are running in the background. And these are services that are being provided. And I'm just spacing through this as we go. And you'll see there's quite a few of them. Now, again, hopefully output on your system is going to look a little bit better. But if I want to find, and by the way, just doing systemctl will display all of them. If I want to find something particular, so let's talk about the task scheduler. And in our next video, we're actually going to work on editing and creating a task schedule. But if I want to look at the task scheduler service, it's cron. So I'm going to do systemctl. I'm going to pipe that to grep cron because I want to find anything related to cron. And that's going to find for me right here. It's the cron.service. It's loaded, it's active, it's running, and it's the regular background program processing daemon. So if I want to look at that particular service or that particular daemon a little bit more, it would be systemctl, and I want to look at the status of cron. And this is going to show me my status. So background processing daemon is loaded, it's active and running. You can see that green there tells me it's active and running as well. Plus you'll see the last several things that have come up on cron. How much memory it's using, the process ID. Okay, so this lets you know that your service is up and running. Now systemctl or your daemon is up and running. Let me hit Q to quit or exit. So let me do that again. Systemctl, and then we can hit Control X to take us, or Control C. There we go, to take us out of it. Okay, the systemctl is going to have the status. It's also going to have the ability to stop, restart, pause, whatever you want to do with some of those daemons. And we're going to look at that a little bit more as we move along. We look at as we start managing some of these background services or daemons. So we're going to look at that in more detail as we go. But for the moment, I just wanted you to see systemctl or system control is how we manage those background daemons.